Okay, this is BAARPAAW's how to make cheeseburgers in the wilderness. So pay close attention, and kids, don't try this at home. This could be very dangerous. So you gotta fight with the wood for a little while out in the outdoors. Sometimes you got dry stuff, sometimes you got wet stuff. So you gotta bring some along. And I actually had to coax this fire with a little paper and olive oil. No rubbing of the sticks out here. No, we didn't do that. So this is what you do. Then you get the fire going, you get the pan kind of warmed up, and then you put a nice Oscar's cheeseburger that you got from Oscar's in the pan. That's step one. And the fries are pretty much as difficult. Then you get some fries you got from Oscar's, and you put them in there too. And then you can adjust the heat by pulling the pan out of the fire a little bit. Just kind of letting them cook. So that's how you make a cheeseburger in the wilderness. So that's part of BAARPAAW's backpacking academy training. And if you want to get in on that academy training, well, you'll have to contact us. That's some highly skilled training. Okay, so from BAARPAAW's backpacking academy and the cooking club, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. And them is going to be delicious, I'll tell you that. Oscar's cheeseburgers, a double. Oh yeah. All right, bye-bye now.